后来，这个川普发动着关税战，中国宣布报复，佮呛讲会食庆饭来长蛋，也就是会奉陪到底。唔那安尼，双方佮来引发着喙烂战。美国副总统范斯接受到专访，无张持用一句“粗鲁人”来形容中国，这是互中国的官方甲人民拢真不满。中国的外交部回应讲，这位副总统无知、无礼貌，真悲哀。啊，中国的网友是建议讲，永远禁止范斯到中国。
To make it a little bit more crystal clear, we borrow money from Chinese peasants to buy the things those Chinese peasants manufacture.
美国副总统范斯在咧专访时讲到中国农民的事，因为 peasant 这个单词，冒粗鲁人无受想负面的意思，从解说做是在咧骂中国人装卡怂，和中国官民听甲嘴巴都火。
听到这位副总统说出这样无知又缺乏礼貌的话。 令人诧异，也感到悲哀。
那中国外交部发言人回应，中国网友嘛气喘喘来骂范斯。
Have you said thank you for the money we lent you? Look, this is their true face, arrogant and rude as always. We may be peasants, but we have the world's best high-speed rail, the most powerful logistics, and leading AI and drone technologies. Aren't such peasants quite impressive?
各中国网友口说讲，创作绝望者之怪范斯，竟然讲中国人是装卡怂。尽管旧时报总编吴锡进嘛破文骂范斯，这是正港的装卡怂。就算喙烂战小达，嘛未影响关税大战。特别是中国国民报复，佮叫川普加扣50%关税，和税率累积到104%。
And the president also wanted me to tell all of you that if China reaches out to make a deal, he'll be incredibly gracious, but he's going to do what's best for the American people.
So China has to call first?
The Chinese want to make a deal, they just don't know how to do it, but the president will be implementing these 104% tariffs on China.
川普就等中国来谈判，不过已经讲出食庆饭等你的中国会如何接招，全世界民众拢徛关山看未小摊。
你好，我是宋彦明。想掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶紧订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。